Hi, in this video I will show how to convert Tdms file to XLS file. XLS is like old Excel format file, and Tdms is National Instruments data file. So this is my website. I will download app from this site, install it on this computer, and will show you how to convert files. To find app, I will click on search and type Tdms. So I'll have all Tdms apps here, and this one I want Tdms to XLS. I'll just click it, double click on download to start downloading process, and wait until file will be downloaded. Yep, it downloaded twice because I double click it. It's probably like single click is okay. Then single click on downloaded archive, then double click on MSI inside archive to start installation. Click on more info. I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher. You can see publisher unknown. Just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install. Click on yes here and click on finish. Now you can see app has been installed on my computer. I have a shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this one, this window, and minimize this window, and double click on shortcut to launch the app. Conversion is 3 steps forward. So on first step I have to select input file. So I'll click here to select input file and select sample Tdms I have on my local computer. Then click on next step. There are no conversion options yet for this conversion. If you think of any options that can tweak conversion process, please let me know. I'll add them to the app, and it will be available in the next version. Right now I'll just click on next step, and here I just click run to start conversion process. It's a big file I have, so conversion may take a little while. Now it's asking me where to save it. C documents is okay, and file name, this file name is okay. I'll just leave it as it is and click on save. And let's wait when file will be saved. File saved, and then let's go and see a file. So this is the name Tdms to XLS, and I double click on it. So the thing is, every channel, because Tdms can have multiple channels in it, right? And multiple groups, and every group have multiple channels. So every group will be spreadsheet, and every channel will be columns with all data in it. So here I have one group, noise data, room temperature, another group, sample properties. So last one will be properties, and it contains information about Tdms file, because Tdms file, every group and every channel may have some properties that indicate what type of sensor it is, what is channel, and what type of data in there. So it will be in last spreadsheet, and all these spreadsheets will have data from Tdms file. It's kind of large file, yeah. It's over 1,000 records. Yeah. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions about that, please leave them in comments. Thank you.